Hey there, how are you? Thank you very much for clicking this video. My name is Lucas, and I was talking with Liz about this short video that I made for you guys on three things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating Wire Masters Electric. These guys are the ones that show on the number one result when you look for an electrician in Miami, and you could be there really easily by just implementing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about. You may wonder why I recorded this video for you. And it's because I know that a lot of business owners are really busy taking care of their business and of their clients, so they don't have time to learn how to use the internet to bring them more business. And also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for them, they don't really know who's an expert and who's not. So I make these educational videos and I send them away for free. And then some business owners watch them and take the information that I provide and use it for themselves. Or some of them, they just contact me and have me doing that for them. So either one is okay with me. I just do this because I love to help small businesses. And that's it. Let's go. I'm gonna keep it nice and short so I don't waste your time. And I wanna basically talk about the three main things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website to the very top. And those would be content, citations, and backlinks. Content would be everything that you see on your page, all the text, all the pictures, everything. And I gotta say that I see that you have already a pretty good amount of text. Usually Google likes to see about 2000 words of content on the front page. I see that you have about 700 words, okay? While your competition Wiremasters Electric here, whoop, sorry. All right, there you go. So they like to see about 2000 words of keyword rich content, okay? And as you see here, these guys have about the 1300 words when you just have 700. So you will have to implement some content on your website over here in the front page, and you want that content to be keyword rich and keyword oriented. What is a keyword? A keyword is a term, a phrase, or a word that regarding your services is what the people look up on Google. Okay, so you wanna find which keywords are the ones that people look up the most, and drop a couple times on all that content. So when somebody looks in Google for like Electrician Miami, Google can find you. Okay, that content with the keywords is what the search engine uses to figure out what business are you in and what services do you offer. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. A backlink is basically another website with a link to your website. So when somebody clicks that link, drives the traffic back to your site. And for Google, this is kind of like a popularity contest. They love to see a lot of relevant websites vouching for you and, if possible, on the same niche. So you can get a backlink from a website that talks about pizza or about shoes with no problem. But for Google, it's way more powerful and way more important if another website that talks about electricians or another electrician, another company, put a link to your website on their website, gives you a backlink. When it's in the same niche, Google take that way more serious. All right. So for the backlinks, as you see, we can take your website here and drop it in Ahrefs, which is a tool that we use to check the backlinks, keywords, and stuff like that. This is a paid tool, but you can get one for free that does the same thing. Okay, this is just the one we use. So as you see, I see that you, Solid Power Flow, you have Florida, sorry. You have over here 52 referring domains that give you 664 backlinks. So the thing is, you need the domains over here. You need to beat the competition. So when you see Wiremasters Electric here in Ahrefs, and you see they have 76 referring domains. So how can you build more domains than them? The easiest and simplest way is you go to their domains, you see all the ones they have, and as simple as you start copying them. You go through every single one of all these 76 domains, and the easiest way is you make an account and you put a link to your website on your profile. Sometimes you cannot make an account, so you just need to email or contact the owner of the website and they'll do it for you. But if these domains are good to rank them, they're good to rank you. So all these plus these 52, or maybe if these 52 are included on this 76, just add a little bit extra after you do those 76, and you'll be okay. And the last thing I want to talk about, so that is where we'll get you on the first spot on the organic results here. And then I want to get talk about citations, which is basically what gets you in the Google Map pack. This is really important because you can do it for free, and also it drives a crazy amount of traffic to your website. So to get here, you need more citations than your competition. And a citation is basically your business information listed in different directories all throughout the web. And by that, I mean yellow pages, white pages, Facebook, Yelp, NG. All those are directories that you have another like thousands of them. Okay. So the easiest way again is you check how many citations your competition has, and the easiest way is you copy the ones they have, plus I personally would add another at least 100. So that way you make really hard for them to ever catch up with you once they realize that you outrank them. And that's it, pretty much. So again, a little recap. What you want is about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your website on the front page. You want to build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing it by just copy the backlinks on the referring domains that the competition has, and a good amount of citations that be your competition number of citations. So with all these three things that you can implement, you can start beating your competition. And if you're interested, I would really recommend you to start doing it as soon as possible, since this takes some time to implement. So the sooner you're done with it, the sooner you will start to get all that extra calls and all that extra business. So if you like what I just told you, and you want me to help you do it, or you want me to do it for you, please feel free to contact me. I'll leave you all my contact information. If you want to do it yourself, please take all this information that I've provided you for free and do it yourself. And again, if you have any questions throughout the process, feel free to give me a call and I'll gladly help you. Only thing I ask you for, if you don't mind, is give me a little review on this video, because that helped me so much. Thank you.